Hey guys, it's Snaps here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be challenging myself to create the smallest squishy. You guys can probably do better than that, but you know what, it's the smallest to me, so I just can't compare myself to others. And so if you guys would like to try it out, make sure you can share it to me on Instagram and just tag me at @grips_snaps, and also remember to tell me the measurements of your squishy, and just for the fun of it. So without further ado, let's just get started onto the challenge. So first off, I started off by just measuring the sponge and getting the right measurements, and I cut out like a 3 by 3 cm sponge. Yeah, out of the big ass sponge, I cut out 3 cm sponge. I think that's a big accomplishment. And the sponge is kind of thick, so I'm just cutting it into halves, and I'm just again rounding it off. There it is. I think it's so smooth out and very cute. I'm just painting it with paint. I painted it with a lot of layers. I painted like 8 layers to get it to look smooth and nice, so just be patient. And this is actually a small piece of sponge, so it's like easier to dry as well, so I think that's like the easy part of this. The pencil to draw out the drizzle effect so I don't mess up after. Next, I use a pink paint to paint on the drizzles. I just painted according to the pencil lines that I've just traced. Some sprinkles. I'm now using a piece of sponge to draw out the cat shape for the Pusheen cat, and I use an X-Acto knife to just get the shape right. Now I'm just working on the details of the sponge. Again, it's very hard to just smooth out because of how small it is. The Pusheen cat is smaller than the square shape itself, so it's hard. And now I'm painting it, and again I painted a few layers, like 8-10 layers of grey paint to just cover up all the holes and get it to look poreless. And I painted on the details, the eyes, the whiskers, the patterns with black paint. I think it's so cute. And that's the Pop-Tart. Now I'm going to attach them together with glue. I attached an eye pin and cell phone strap. And that's the finished product. Please tell me what you guys think about this Pusheen cat Pop-Tart squishy in the comment below. Do you think that it's cute, or do you think that's a little bit weird because of how small it is and whatever? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. I will sign off now.